Britain's race to electrify our transport and heat is reshaping every street. Yet, open trenches slow the journey, increase costs, and disrupt the lives of millions. By 2035, every new car will be electric, and heat pumps could soar to 1.5 million installations a year. Utilities already dig up Britain's roads 4 million times a year, at an enormous cost, financially and environmentally. Clearly, it's time for a better way. Grounds for Change will explore precise slot cutting, compact drilling, and innovative on-site spoil recycling techniques to shrink waste and restore streets faster. The result? Quieter, cleaner, and cheaper works, with less disruption for all.